today is a beautiful day. Today is an amazing day. Do something great for yourself. Do something great for somebody else. Even if you don't do nothing great for yourself, do something great for somebody else. Because guess what? That's going to make your day great. So remember that. Even if you don't get a chance to do something great for yourself, do it for somebody else. And I guarantee you, the peace and the fulfillment of joy that will come over you will feel just as you did something great for yourself. I'll see you guys. Because I keep trying to explain to y'all, nowhere in this book does it say every day is going to be great and glorious. You have to make your day. You have to set the tone for what you want to do. I mean, for your peace and for your well-being. Now, if you follow this, it's going to make it greater. But if you don't follow it along with the other stuff that you don't add, that's what's going to have and make it a problem. So as long as you follow this and you set the tone and you plan your day, you manifestation, you put it in the universe, everything will work out for you in your favor. So that's all I'll have to say for you guys. Just keep on pressing towards the mark in your faith and what you believe in your peace, in your humility. Be humble, be joyous, be kind, and just be a good person, a good individual. And I guarantee you, everything is going to be fine. So guys, thanks for joining again for Tea Time. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Here's some for you. Some coffee. Hey y'all, good morning. Happy Tuesday. So guys, we got a lot going on today. So we're actually getting ready to head out to take some things back to Habitat for Humanity. What else? You guys will see. I'll just bring you guys along. But look at my shirt, y'all. I know I gained some weight because when I wore this shirt last time when we first moved here and did the home tour, I wore this shirt for the dining room tour and it wasn't like this. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. Got on my white Adidas. Yes. So y'all, Mark went on and cut the hole. He did the holes. We did all of that. So I'll bring you guys back because remember we had put this tape on there. So you guys seen him do that. So we're going to finish that out and that's going to get done today. And yeah, I'll bring you guys along for what else is happening. I'm trying to think of anything else that I could show y'all real quick. But yeah, I'll see you guys shortly. Okay. All right, guys, making progress. So I got the poles right here. And he's strapping up the stuff right here. The doors are on top. We're gonna see if we can take them to, hopefully they'll let us exchange them, but if not, yeah. Bye bad. I'll see you guys shortly.
Get stuff done, get out the way.
Yeah, he's so angry.
People, I got a lot of stuff to do. I work every day. She don't understand it. She don't work. She just kick it all day. Fix stuff, buy stuff. I work every day, twice a day, at night and in the day. Trying to put money together so we'll be all right. She don't understand that. So y'all help her understand that.
Can you just tell her good morning?
Being angry. So part of that stuff first brothers want to get stuff done out the way.
We are getting things done.
No, we not.
Can you tell them good morning?
I already told him good morning when I got to talk.
Oh, he didn't, y'all, but it's all right. He gets so angry. He like a little kid. Oh my God. I should have just filmed him real quick.
See, we can go to Home Depot right now.
Okay, we can do
Done
that.
with it, go to there, and then go home.
I wanted to look for a plant too, though.
See what I'm saying? You always got extra stuff going on. That's funny.
No,
See,
but
she
we was going
always
that
got
way.
extra stuff going on. She don't just go get what she need to get and be done with it. She need to do extra stuff. She want more plants. You got a house full of plants. She want more plants.
They good for the environment.
Ain't no good for the environment.
Yeah, they good for us. They good
house.
they good for the soul. They good for us. They are. I will see you guys later. Let this man get himself together, get his peace together, get his strength together. Y'all, I'm fried. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'll be glad when this is over and done. But we're looking for the screws to fit for the bar cart. Home Depot, next, Habitat for Humanity. It's gonna fit.
You keep just making measurements.
Yeah, we found one.
No, we ain't found one.
We did.
No, we didn't.
I want to look at this dresser real quick. All right, come on, come on. Sheesh. Yo, he's so angry. We out of here. We got the door. So guys, we are back. Well, I'm back, and Mark left to go and help with do some kind of project, or whatever. So, guys, what was I going to say? Oh, I was going to Iris. You said this was a runner. You said this was a runner. I mean, a rug. This is not a rug, honey. This is a table runner. It's just wide. It's cotton, but it's a table runner, and I think it looks so good there, y'all. I really, really like that. But in the meantime, we did get the piece that goes here for the cross with the screw, and he's saying these screws that we just got, he's saying those are too big or something, or too, no, he's saying they're still too small. So hopefully we can get it done today. In the meantime, we did get the door, so I'll show you guys that, and then I'm gonna go outside and I'll show you something else I picked up, because the lady who was there, she gave us a it was like $14, I think I told y'all. So we got the door. So the door looks like it will fit, and it is the same door like the door in the bedroom. So this one just has like a gold thing, which is still matches the room. But yeah, this is his closet, but this goes like that. So yeah, he arguing with me down like, oh my God, I bet you it ain't gonna work. And I'm like, it is gonna work. Like, you can, y'all, he can't operate on a little bit of sleep. I'm telling you, it's not good. So I'll show you what else I got from there with the rest of the few dollars. I got something for like $3.50, and I got it because I can put it in the bathroom. So that's gonna work. So I'll show you guys. And then I'm gonna end up coming outside. It's so nice out here, y'all. It's like, I think 60. Birds chirping. Y'all hear it? But I found this basket. Like it says $3.50. I'm gonna spray it black. It's real like metal, and it has like a cloth in here. So I'm gonna wash this, and it's gonna go in the bathroom because we don't have a oh, excuse me, y'all. We don't have a rug in the bathroom, and I'm gonna clean out this here. I'm gonna rake it out, and yeah, and that's probably gonna do it for today. I don't know if else, then I'll come back. All right. have decided I'm gonna have breakfast for brunch or whatever you want to call it. So I'll show you guys when I'm cooking, because I'm going to end this video. I am like really tired. I'm going to eat my breakfast brunch and take me a nap, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what I fixed. I did have some, Mark picked up these vegan Beyond breakfast sausages, so I did fix those. I got them sitting on the parchment paper, and I'm making some homemade vegan pancakes with my coconut flour, and this is some other kind of flour, but it's vegan. And then I added some bananas to here to make it stick, and we got some grits, and yeah, I will throw in a clip of how my breakfast looked, and then I will probably see you guys tomorrow in another video. So far, guys, look, this is standing. It's like he has to do one more thing. I think he said he's gonna cut this and then screw another hole in there, and then it will be standing perfectly. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you come back for another video. If you're new here and you like what you see, consider subscribing, like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Bye, y'all. Bye.
Yeah. Oh yeah.